All right, everybody. Today we have guest is, what's your name?
Trevor.
What kind of car do you drive?
So I drive a Scion 2013. It's a wide body, a B2 kit.
And yeah, we're doing a little mini livery for the show this weekend. It's basically to be a bunch of stars here. And so what we did so far is we just kind of took some design tape and laid it out here so we can get an idea. And yeah, we're just gonna go cut a bunch of stars and go at it. Back outside now. We got all our stars cut. Well, we got a batch of them. We'll see if we need any more, but
I think it would be good.
yeah, should be good. Oh yeah, also look at my shirt. Coincidence? Here, hiding his imperfections with these little stars. All those little chips and stuff. He's happy about that.
It's sort of like just like whole like wrapping this all over again.
Yeah, it is. We just finished up all the black stars. Now we're gonna print or cut a couple of the orange ones for the windows and for the trunk and stuff. But it's looking pretty cool. Got some orange stars ready to go on.
This is about to be sick. I don't know how this is gonna go, but this is about to be sick.